What's going on, you guys? This is Chris with Patch Boy Dog. Patches and beanies for the culture. What you guys think? Picked up a new jacket today. Styling, profiling. So right off the back, we ain't gonna sugarcoat it. We're gonna embroider directly onto this Columbia jacket. We're gonna put our logos on here. We're gonna put our @ symbols on here. So that way we can wear this jacket when we're out and about during the colder seasons. Not only that, but we can write this off as a business expense because we are going to be putting our branding right onto this jacket. It is one of their multi-layer type of jackets, so let's go ahead and open it up. The hood itself is detachable. The whole inner lining is detachable and pretty much its own jacket. We are going to be using the Brother PRS100. Guys, the Brother Persona, also known as the Brother PRS100. If you guys want to be able to embroider directly onto garments like this, or you want to be able to embroider directly on the sleeves, directly on the beanies, whatever it is you want to embroider onto, if you want it to be easier, check out the Brother Persona. But we do recommend you guys checking out the Brother Persona at the dealership so you can touch it yourself and really get an eye on that thing. If you guys are in need of some audio for creating content on your own, be sure to check out the Rode Wireless Go Amazon affiliate link down in the description box below. If you guys want to pick this jacket up, we will try to have an Amazon affiliate link down in the description box below if they have this on Amazon. Now, to get my embroideries on the jacket, I will be using the Hoop Master hooping station right here, and I might even be using that Hoop Master freestyle station. If you guys are planning on picking up any Hoop Master products, be sure to use promo code PatchBoy and receive free shipping on your order. All right, you guys, so I am going to be embroidering on the right chest of this jacket, so I need to make sure my hoop is lined up over here. If you guys end up buying the Hoop Master starter kit, it does come with this handy dandy booklet. Let's go ahead and flip it on the inside. We're going straight to the page where it has the references for your hoop placement. We are using a size large, as you can see right there. For the men's, it shows a ladies recommendation and a men's recommendation. For the men's, we will be using E19, which means I do need to change up this hoop position right here. Good thing I double checked it. So let me go ahead and line this up with 19, like so. Bam. When referring to the letter E, it's just this E right here, which is your neckline. We may or may not line our neckline up right there, but we'll see once we place everything. Now let's go ahead and take our handy dandy MightyHoop. This is a good way to store your MightyHoop. Let's go ahead and take this and put it into place, like so. Now let's get some stabilizer. Although the material is this waterproof material, I still want to go ahead and use 2 sheets of cutaway stabilizer, so that way my embroidery turns out perfect. Got my 2 sheets here. Let's go ahead and line it up. Put my flaps down. All right, guys, when it comes to hooping up jackets, always double check that there are no inner pockets in the jacket because you do not want to accidentally stitch that pocket down. All right, this jacket is zipped up. Let's go ahead and put it on here. Clip some of these buttons together, keep them out the way. We do have this Columbia logo here, so we are going to use this as a reference marker for our placement over here on that right chest. With this MightyHoop, that center zipper is recommended to line it up with this center line right in here. All right, you guys, so I think I got my placement. All right, let me go ahead and feel around. I think my placement might be pretty good where it's at. Now there are some better methods as far as like your placement. We could have did like a little placement sticker just so we know where we want the center to be. But with this hoop station, guys, it makes it so easy to just hoop things up and visually see your placement. Where it is right now, I believe is going to be superb. So let me go ahead and do this. Yeah. Bam, there we got it. Now that we have the Columbia jacket hoop, let's go ahead and take it to the Brother PRS100, also known as the Brother Persona. All right, you guys, let me go on here first and let me just upload my file. Actually, I do want to drop the needle just to make sure my thread pulls up. Because I just checked the bobbin, I want to make sure I have enough in there. Let's go ahead and stitch this thing out. I need to do white thread because I am doing my logo in black and white for this jacket. When you're embroidering onto a jacket, you do want to get your hands up under there and feel around. Make sure you're not going to accidentally stitch down something you don't want to be stitching. All right, let's go ahead and lock it and hit our... Well, actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and just trace. It never hurts to trace so you can see where everything's going to be. I designed the logo just so it can fit on the 5.5-inch MightyHoop. The logo size itself is 3.92 by 4.52. And let's lock it and let's start it. Going to be going at 500 stitches per minute. Yes, you guys, I am embroidering directly onto the Columbia jacket. I wish I had another Mighty Hoop. I need to buy one so that way I can start hooping up the other jacket. Check this out, you guys. I mean, if y'all needed a reason to upgrade to a Brother Persona, just look no further. Check how easily we were able to hoop up and embroider onto this jacket. If you are using one of those home flatbed machines, I already know how big of a hassle it can be trying to hoop up the jacket, yet alone hoop the jacket, but get your jacket underneath the machine. Because those home machines don't have the free arm type of setup that allows you to just have the fabric drape below the machine. And for this embroidery, we're using the 5.5 inch Mighty Hoop. If you guys want to pick up yourself a Mighty Hoop, definitely go over to their website. We do have a link below in our description box. Pick yourself up a Mighty Hoop for your Brother Persona. And be sure to use promo code PATCHBOY to receive free shipping on your Mighty Hoop or Hoopmaster order. Ooh, that embroidery looking good. It's looking good. All right, guys, let's go ahead and fast forward to the next segment. All right, so it's moving on to the next segment of our logo, which is the darb portion. Anybody wondering how I'm getting that pink glow in the background? I am using the Alonzi wand light, as you can see right here. Here's that model number. It is the VL119. Link will be down in the description box below. You guys, be sure to use our Amazon affiliate link where you can pick up cool content creating supplies like this, or you can pick up regular everyday embroidery supplies such as thread, cutaway stabilizer, fray check, whatever you may need. Use our Amazon affiliate link below. Another light that we use right here is the tofu. Check out this cute little thing. Ain't it cute? We can always change the lighting if we wanted to, change the hue and everything. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera, but you can change this thing to all different types of colors. And there are different features on the tofu light itself. We even got the police lights if we wanted that police strobe in the background. So if you guys are interested in a little light like this, it is magnetic, so it will stick to metal. Be sure to check out the tofu light. Link will be in our Amazon affiliate link below. We got close to the Mighty Hoop edge, but it ain't touching. All right, you guys, let me go ahead and it is time to change to the next color, which is black. Now, this isn't necessarily a tutorial on how to embroider a jacket. It's more so just me filming the process of me embroidering this jacket for myself. All right, so we are on our final color for the jacket embroidery, and it is going to be a gray color, which is going to be the border of my logo. Typically, the Patchboy Darb logo, as you can see, is a fuchsia pink color as well as a green color. That is our original color scheme, but we do like doing different color schemes just to show how versatile the logo can be. And plus, we want our logo to match the garment itself. And since the Columbia jacket already has a white logo on there, let's just keep our logo white. Because you got to coordinate. If you guys don't have one already, I highly recommend that you guys get your logo digitized so that way you can stitch it out onto any and everything you come across. Not sure if you guys noticed, but we are utilizing the negative space of the jacket. So this particular logo is designed and digitized to embroider only onto black items and black clothing. We do have another version where it does the black fills in the background, but we prefer to do this logo strictly onto items that are just solid black color. I am glad that I used 2 layers of cutaway stabilizer because this embroidery is looking flawless. Oh man. All right, you guys, we are fresh off the hoop. It is done embroidering. Let's go ahead and take it off. Yeah. What y'all think, y'all? What y'all think? Check out that logo. Using that 5.5-inch MightyHoop, it looks really good. As you can see, it is the exact same logo that's here, but this particular logo, I used 2 different shades of pink and the black thread, of course. And I utilized the negative space of the polo shirt. Let's go ahead and take off the MightyHoop. There's the back side there, front side there. Let's go ahead and store it away properly. Have those right sides facing each other. Easy peasy. How's my placement, you guys? How's the placement? Here it is, you guys. We got the embroidery on the Columbia jacket. If you guys are going to embroider onto jackets, I do recommend embroidering onto a jacket that already has a logo on one side, so that way you can use that as a reference. Or you can always just go completely blank and put your own logos on there. I'm gonna get on out of here and add some more stuff to this Columbia jacket. Gonna add some stuff on the sleeve here, maybe something on the sleeve here, maybe even something on the wrist area. But for now, this has been Chris with Patchboard R, patches for the culture. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.